Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to talk about how you can fix black screen problem. You can see all apps are showing in a black. You can see when you just open any of the app, friends, you can see it is in black now, and click on any of this, and you can see all apps and images are in different color and black in screen. How you can fix. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start, friends. First you have to go to settings of your Redmi smartphone. Click on settings, swipe down, go to additional settings, and here it is accessibility. Click on accessibility, click on vision, and swipe down. You can see here it is a color inversion setting. You have to just click on it, and here you have to off this. And now friends, you can see it is in normal colors. There is no black screen showing. It is solved. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.